My mom kept saying, don't speak so much. But that's what I'm going to try and do. I'm going to try and make this your best workshop ever. Most people use ChatGPT like Google. ChatGPT is not Google, guys.
I took away many things from this session. You could use AI for so many different aspects, which I had no idea that you could implement it first.
It was a brilliant and awesome experience. This much AI we can use in education, we never know. Hats off to Williams. Thanks a lot.
This is something which I was always looking forward to. The way he created awareness among all of us, surely going to impact the education sector of Ahmedabad.
We don't have time to post. We don't have time to create social media content. We have to find out hacks. You guys are brilliant at ideas. Earlier, आइडिया को रियलिटी में लाना इतना मुश्किल है, बाल खींच के निकालते थे हम लोग, अरे इसको कैसे समझाऊं? But today, if you have a vision of कैसे करना चाहिए, AI can help you.